Joe Thompson here. We're in the shop, and I've got a friend of mine that has purchased some collapsible sawhorses, and we're going to turn these into a fabrication table with a leveling tube. And we did a previous video on leveling sawhorses, and that's essentially what this is. Although we're going to be able to fold this all up, so it all will go in a corner of a garage. It won't take a lot of space, but he wants to fabricate. He'll be able to set these collapsible sawhorses up, level the tubes, get kind of a level situation, and be able to fabricate. So these are the component parts. We're going to use a piece of 2x2 square tube. This 1/8 by 4 is going to sit on top of this, and then the threaded rod will go through this, and we'll be able to adjust it. This is going to be our connection detail. There's actually a hole at the end of it that I've chosen. And a lot of times when you're doing projects like this, you look for some type of a feature that you can utilize to advance your work. So I'm going to drill a hole in this that'll match that. We'll bolt through there. We'll weld this off, and then the studs are going to go through that. Through like that, it'll go through. That should center them. So I'm getting ready. We've got this all set up. I'm getting ready to weld it, and the sequence of weld is I'm going to weld the inside corner first on this one, which will pull it to the other post, and then I'll weld the inside corner on that. If I weld the outside corner, there's a chance that it could open up, and then I've got to fight that. So sequence is important. On this one, inside corner first, then that one, fully welded up, and then we'll be able to put it on our collapsible saws. I've got about 2.5.
I'm at 2 1/4.
So we'll go to you just about. Now let's go ahead and rotate this over one. And then I can just weld it up. So I'll put a little weld here. And then I'm going to open this up real quick just so we can slide the thing in and out very easily. So the whole point is to take some sawhorses that you've purchased that are collapsible, find a feature in those sawhorses that you can bolt to, and then make your leveling system to that. We're going to go ahead and make our welding top. The tabletop is made of 12 gauge sheet. 3 pieces of 1 inch square, 13 gauge tubing at 47 7/8. So in a build like this, my approach is to put the perimeter in, the long pieces, then this piece, then I'll recut, I'll remeasure for the inside portion. That way I can get a continuous piece across here and there, and then we'll strengthen it up with an interior piece. tie this tube, and the plate together. That's all I want to do for right now. I'll do the same thing here. I just want to put a little bit of pressure up. I want to make sure I'm contacting that. Okay, Welding. $45 and $70. So I've welded that corner right there. Now I'm going to come over and tack the opposite corner here. Okay, eyes. Eyes. Okay. Hold it right there. Just kind of set it down and see what we got. That'll be good. I think we should make our square off this corner right here. I absolutely do not want to pass that line. I'll be back about a quarter to. That's it. Pretty good. So that if this is level, then you can use a spirit level to get 90. There are times when you might have to do that.